Today we're looking at Shuttle Shuffle from Holy Fire Games. You can play this on a desktop computer on the Gazpo IO site. Shuttle Shuffle is played on a large area where your objective is to move as far ahead as you can. You have to navigate through this area that is littered with many varied objects of all different sizes. You need to avoid hitting any of the black objects, big or small, or your shuttle will be destroyed. You control your shuttle by clicking the left mouse button. One click of the mouse button equals one jump ahead. Also, you just have a few seconds to jump ahead before your shuttle slowly drifts to the bottom of the screen where it will be destroyed. You will notice after a jump, your shuttle sways its nose from left to right. Because of this, you have to learn to time when you jump in the direction you want to go so as to avoid hitting anything. This looks easy but takes a little time to get used to. You will come across grids of arrows all facing one direction. If you go onto these grids, your shuttle will slowly drift to the edge of the grid that the arrows are facing. Beware of entering these when there are objects parked in the arrow grid too. It is sometimes hard to control your shuttle in these, or predict where you will end up if you have to move suddenly. The white pulsating discs are teleport points. If you touch one of these, you will be teleported ahead. Your overall score in Shuttle Shuffle is relevant to how much distance you move ahead, so these can certainly help you build up your score. Another tip for getting ahead is in the timing. When the area directly ahead of you is mostly clear, you can try this. You can click twice, for example, fairly close together. And although your shuttle won't go exactly straight, it will be close enough to be useful and speed up your results. This will take practice, but I think it's worth it and makes it a lot more fun too. Shuttle Shuffle is a game built around a fairly simple idea. Move ahead as far as you can without hitting anything. As you play, you will hopefully understand that patience plays a big part in this. Knowing when you can go faster, but also having the patience to slow down and take care when you need to, will get you a lot further. How far can you get? Enjoy.